Bro, let's go, man. I feel like Jason Tatum. Like, we did it. Like, bro, believe it, man. You can do anything you put your mind to, like, for real, bro. You work for it, you can go get it, bro. You got that divineness in you to go get. You in complete control of your life, bro. I literally ran it up off detailing cars and bought me a brand new Scat, bro. Shaker, $392. This ain't just no little, you know what I'm saying, no regular deli. I went and got something special, bro, and I'm extremely grateful, bro, and I encourage anybody, bro, you can do it, bro. You can do it. Like, this minor, don't get me wrong, it's just a car. Like, you know what I'm saying? But the fact to run it up off detailing cars, bro. To run it up off detailing cars, bro. It's so crazy, man. It's so crazy, man. I got a lot more coming. Believe that, man. You gonna see this. You gonna see this meme machine for sure. But man, I love y'all. I love y'all. I love life, bro. I'm grateful. God is the greatest, man. And I'm pushing motivation. I'm pushing positivity, man. For real. Cause who would have thought, bro? Detailing cars, bro. I ran it up detailing cars, bro. I literally ran it up detailing cars and bought me a brand new Scat. Crazy, bro. I manifested it. Like, it's so much that went into it. Like, I literally manifested. I knew what I wanted, bro. Like, I knew where I was going, bro. But it's so much stuff, man. I saw it in a vision way before, bro. When you mix thought with emotion, that's how you manifest. It's not just saying it. It's not just one time. Affirmation. I'm gonna just say it every day, bro. You gotta feel it. Like, you gotta really believe it. You know what I'm saying? And really put that emotion and that action with it. And that's how it comes to life. That's how it comes to fruition, bro. Bro, lock in on your dreams, bro. Lock in on your goals. Or believe me, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Like, it ain't no ifs, ands, or buts about it, bro. Like, believe it, and you can achieve it. Like, for real, bro. But, bro, I'm grateful. I can't even, like, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I ran it up detailing cars, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how, too. I'm gonna show y'all how, bro. I ain't gatekeeping. Bro, whatever sauce you want, you can get it, bro. Because it don't matter, bro. How does that affect me? It actually gonna make me better because I'm helping somebody. The more people you serve, the more money you will make. If you know, you know. Like, hey, man, I'm grateful. Man. I actually got another detail right now, bro. I'm finna go jam, bro. Let's get it.
It's the drummer.